Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking requirements, confirm Android version, and know which apps you'll separate. Open Settings and go to Apps and Notifications. That's where notification control lives. Tap Notifications to see global options. You'll act on each app next. Once done, pick one app to configure first so you learn the pattern. Make sure to have any sample notifications available to test changes immediately. This saves time because you'll verify behavior as you go. You now choose an app and tap Notifications or Notification categories to reveal channels. For each channel, set importance level, sound, and lock screen visibility. This separates alert types like chats versus promotions. Rename channels for clarity and turn off ones you don't need. Once you adjust a channel, send a test notification or wait for one to confirm the change. Make sure to use Do Not Disturb exceptions for high-priority channels so critical alerts still come through. Finish by repeating the channel setup for each app, prioritizing essential communications first so you don't miss anything. Then test with real or sample notifications and observe whether sound, vibration, and visibility match your settings. If changes don't apply, clear the app cache, force stop the app, or reboot the phone to refresh system services. One key troubleshooting tip: verify battery optimization and notification access. These can block delivery or channel updates, so disable aggressive optimizations for apps you want consistent alerts from.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.